I'm Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure to present you an absolutely beautiful 1951 Studebaker Champion Starlight Coupe. This is a very rare vehicle. It's an award-winning restoration. It sports beautiful black cherry paint. It has the original matching number 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed with overdrive transmission. Everything with this vehicle is just truly outstanding. Included with the sale is going to be a matching Studebaker pedal car. You got to check out both of these items on our website for full description, tons of photos, msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle, let you listen to how beautiful it runs. Just purrs like a kitten.